Hi friends, I just received my new mosquito killers. These are lights specially designed to attract and eradicate mosquitoes. You can charge them either with a USB-C cable or they have solar panels here on top of it. You can hang them if you want, and they also have a light you can use as a flashlight. If you're camping inside your tent, and that's on the blue light that you see, that will attract the mosquitoes and, well, get rid of them, okay? So you have a flashlight, you have the mosquito killer, you have a way of charging it with the sun or with a cable. I bought a few of them for my home, and we're going to try them. Thank you.